Hello guys, today I want to show you how to make a lottery numbers on Visual Studio 2012. Right now let me go direct to open the program. This is Visual Studio 2012. Upon opening, it will open the program. Then I go to create a new project. I'll click here, create a new project. Then this project is Visual Basic, Windows Form application. Then I will have to name it as lottery program, right? Upon writing, then I'll have to click OK in order to create the project. Let me wait for the program to open. Right now we have this one is form 1. In form 1 here we want to put some tools here in order for our lottery to work. In the form 1 there you can name it as lottery. Then I will have to go to toolbox to choose the tools which I want to use. I need the button, 2 buttons. This is the first one. Then I can move a bit here. Then I will need another button here. Then it's okay. Then also I need the text box for displaying those 3 numbers. This text box will be here. And I can put like this. Here I will name it as select winning numbers, right? Then this button I'll name it as exit button. Then I'll have to give the fonts for the numbers to be seen clear. I'll have to give the font size. I'm going to the font, I'll put bold, then 12 maybe, then it's okay. 12 is okay. Select winning numbers, then I think it's okay. Then what is squad now? Everything is okay right now. Then what is required is to program these things here. I'll double click this select winning numbers in order to program it. In the program, what the things are required is first you need to declare what random numbers I want, like dim random number as new random, then enter. Also dim the numbers which I want to use. I want 3 numbers. Then I will have to declare it num1 comma num2, I mean number 1, number 2, number 3, num3 as integer. Then enter. Then from there, these 3 numbers, I want to know what are these 3 numbers. Since I want the numbers to be between 1 and 10, then I can do like this as num1 is equal to random number dot next, then brackets between 1 and 10. I'll have to put like that. Then from there I'll have to copy this because I need 3 of these. Then I copy. Then down here I'll have to paste it. Then enter, paste it again. Then I will have to change this num1 here to be 2, and down here to be 3. Then from there you can enter again. Then these numbers I want to be displayed on text box. Which text box? That is the text box which I have already put it there. Like text box, which one is text box 1 dot text is equal to num1 and then again and then num2, then again and num3. So like that. So I'll have to put the space here between these things here. I think now everything is ready, and I have to put enter. I have to put enter. Space, I think I have to put space like that. So the program here in button 1 is okay. Then I will have to go to the next button, which is exit button. In exit button, I think I need only one code here, like end, in order to end the program. So everything is ready. Let's go to the quick start to see how it works. Then click start. Upon clicking start, the program will be like this. Then I'll have to click this select winning numbers. Since I want the winning numbers to be 3, then I'll select it. That's the first one. It's 3, 3, 4, 6, then 6, 6, 9, then 2, 8, 8, then 4, 9, 6. So that is how it works. That is how it works. A lot of numbers, you can generate random numbers here. So those are winning numbers. You can generate like that. So thank you for watching, guys. Let me now click exit to exit from this system. Upon clicking exit, I will exit from the system. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful time. See you next time.